Hello everyone, it's Nicole Martel here with My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm creating a quick and simple mixed media layout using My Creative Scrapbook's main kit for July. It's a super cute collection kit that features simple stories, sweet summertime collection. I'm going to share how I put this together using stencils, and then I'm going to make the little crabby and snail interactive in a really simple way. So come join me and see how fun this is. I am taping down the stencil from a previous kit so that I can create some waves since I'm using pictures from the boat trip that we recently took. So I'm using a mint green ink just to blend in first, and because I want to have it two shades to kind of make it more fun. And it adds a lot of depth that way too. So it's not just one color. And then I'm going to add some blue in there just randomly. I did add more blue than I wanted to, but that's okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and lift this off, and you can see how that looks. And I just love that. And I'm going to go ahead. I was going to back the pictures with pattern paper, and then I decided not to do that because I really like the white trim, and I like the way the white looks on the background, the cardstock, you know what I mean? And so then I was going to use this cut file from a different kit for a big title, but then I didn't want to cover all the stencils waves, so I decided not to do that. I'll wait for another layout to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and start by popping this sticker up using film strips, and this is a good way to add dimension. And I love that, A Perfect Day. It's a perfect title for this page that I'm doing. And then I'm going to cut out some tags. I was thinking I was going to use one or two, so I wasn't sure which one. So I decided to cut both of them out to see kind of what I want to do here. I like the rainbow because it kind of pulls through from the title there, but then I don't want it to be too much, and I like the orange too. So I just went ahead and went with the orange just to go with it. And then I'm going to add some string in there just to pull that together at the top there. And this layout is super simple, but it's so fun. And I just like to play with all the stickers and the embellishments and just have fun and find creative ways to use the die cuts. So I'm using some ink. I just splattered it all over the layout just to add something there. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4-inch border around the layout just because I don't have a pattern paper backing it up like I normally do. And I just feel like it needed something to kind of frame it. So I'm just going to do this and then add some squibbly lines. And that's all I'm going to do there. And I really like how that looks. And then I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do here. I love the clouds. The clouds are fun. So I'm going to go ahead and pop them on here. I have a die cloud. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there with the film strips, slightly layering it with the other one. And then I'm just trying to see what I want to do. And so I'm looking through all the die cuts that came in the kit just to see what I want to use. I love the camera, but I don't really want to use that. The crabby caught my eye. It caught me. I've made 3 layouts, and each time I have him, I want to use him. So I'm going to go ahead and pop him on here, and he totally works. And then I really like the umbrella with the ball and the sand castle, but it really didn't go with the actual photos that I'm using, so I decided not to do that. And then I just decided I'm going to use the snail instead for the bottom. I cut the sun in half, and that way I could spread it across another layout if I wanted to, and I'm just going to tuck it back there. That was the sticker. And then I'm going to go ahead, I was going to add the flowers, but I felt like it was too much. So I'm just moving things around. I'm going to go ahead and place the snail down here at the bottom there because I do want to use him. I added a flower sticker to his shell just for fun. And if you wanted to add an enamel dot, if you had any, or any little gems, you could do that as well and add it to the center of the flower to add dimension. I'm going to go ahead and add the foam sticker under the sticker title, and then add some journaling on the bottom here. And then before you add your journaling, make sure the ink is dry if you're splashing any ink on there, so that the ruler does not smear the ink, because then you could mess up your layout. And I'm going to go ahead and just add quick journaling here. And then I'm also thinking of what else I can do with the layout. It's a simple layout, so I don't want to overdo it. So I actually sat down for a minute and just walked away and came back. And I forgot I had these little eyeballs that I bought from Amazon. And I've created a few things using these little things. So I'm going to go ahead and glue them on his little eyes at the top there. And it's amazing what little touches can add to a layout. So the eyeballs really made this layout. Not going to lie. I love that so much. And so then I came back and I felt I should do the same thing for the bottom, the snail. And I am going to glue these down here. And this is just so fun. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. And I love the precision glue gun because it really helps so I don't add too much glue to these. So I'm going to pop that on there. I love this. It's so fun. I love making layouts that are fun and it makes me smile and it's just happy. So look at that. It's fun. Love it. Okay, and so this layout was simple. It took me about 15 minutes to make. And I'm going to go ahead, I stepped away and I was like, I still need to do something else because you know I love embellishments and I don't know when to stop if you've been watching me for some time now. So I just decided to go ahead and add some hearts, and I love this. I think it's great. It's a great simple layout, and I hope you were inspired by this layout. And thank you so much for watching today, and check out my other layouts in the playlist. The products are in the description if you want to check out the kit. Take care.